Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. So here I will explain a little phonetics and phonology material with several points. And why I choose this material? Because this material is related to sound of and the meaning of pronunciation in everyday communication. So understanding phonetics and phonology material can help us communicate more effectively and feel more confident in communicating. And what is phonetics and phonology? Phonetic is the science that studies the sound of human language, usually divided into three sub-branches, namely acoustic phonetic, auditory phonetics, and articulatory phonetic. Acoustic phonetic deals with the study of the physical properties of sound in the form of sound waves that result from the production of sound. As one speaks, the sound that he produces create waves that travel from the speaker mouth to the hearer's ear. This is what makes the listener hear what the speaker says. Auditory phonetics relate to how sounds are received by our brain. As just mentioned, when a person speaks, the sound it produces create sound waves. Articulatory phonetic is also concerned with the sound of language, but focus on how those sounds are produced. The focus on sound production means that this branch of phonetics must deal with the speech mechanism involved in sound production. Phonology. Phonology is a branch of linguistics that studies the sound system in a language and how this sound functions in communication. Here are some key concepts in phonology. Phoneme, namely the smallest unit of sound that can differentiate meaning. For example, in English, P and B are different phonemes because they can change the meaning of a word like pet and bat. Allophone is a variation of a phoneme that does not change the meaning of the word. For example, the P sound in pet, pronounced with aspiration, is different from the P is pet. Phonological rules that describe how phoneme can change or interact in a particular context, such as assimilation, dissimilation, and reduction. Syllable structure, analysis of how the sound of words are built into syllables, which usually consists of one set, nucleus, and coda. Phonetics and phonology are very important learning process in the English because but are very helpful for understanding and producing sound correctly. By understanding phonetics and phonology, we can improve pronunciation and help differentiate similar sounds that can change the meaning of words. In addition, knowledge of sound patterns and phonological rules improves listening and speaking abilities, making communication more effective. Application of theory in future careers. I am committed to applying knowledge in my teaching one day in fun ways such as using sound games, group activities, and interactive listening exercise to make pronunciation feel natural. I will also have students listen for different accents and ways of speaking to help them get used to language variation. Well, that's all from me. Please apologize if there are any shortcomings. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.